What's good, everybody? It's your kinfolk Dookie, man. I got another speaker here. Let's check this out. This is the Treblab HD7. Now, if y'all remember the recent review I did, I checked out, was it the Z2 headphones from Treblab? And I was like, yo, for the price, they're crazy. I don't even know how they're giving off that much sound and all of that. So let's check out this speaker. Y'all know I like my little Bluetooth speakers. Let's see if this falls into that category of dope Bluetooth speakers for y'all to check out. Got some specs. Let's check out these specs that's on the box. Okay, so this is a truly wireless one. If y'all know what that means, you should be able to pair up two or multiple ones to get sound in different places of your room. IPX6 water resistant, 12 watts of power, 360-degree sound. Says it should get up to 25 hours of playtime, and it has a bike mounting kit. Let's just open it up, man. Let's get the little unboxing knife. See what's good. Where you at? Holla at me, I want it. Give it to me. There we go. Stop embarrassing me on the video. Get your speaker. A little smaller than I thought. So you get a paracord, you can attach this. You get a, what is this? One of those little clips. So you can clip this to your book bag or your bag or whatever you want to do it. You can do that. I wish it was USB-C, but it's USB micro. And you get your 3.5mm cable. There's some booklets in there. I'm not gonna open that. Get to the speaker. Nice size little speaker. The build quality is pretty solid. Got to give it up to these small Bluetooth speakers, man. They always feel solid. You get your two bass radiators here on the side. You'll be able to see those wobble when you got some bass going, if this has any bass with it. You got big play buttons. I like that. Play, pause, volume control, and I'm guessing this is your power button. Yeah, that's your power button. Right here on the back, you have that access point where you can hook this up to your bicycle or any kind of mount. So, you know, maybe if you wanted to get some stands and stand these up on something, you got that built into it. And you have your auxiliary port and where you charge it. Keep that closed so it can maintain its waterproofness. And let's just turn this on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Boom.
Pairing.
Pairing. Let's connect to my phone. Treblab HD7. I don't know if it's Treblab with a solid B. Y'all let me know down in the comments. All right, I got some beats here on my phone. These are personally from producers I know. I can't link to these beats exactly, but what I will do is leave a link down below to a playlist that I have that I like to listen to when I'm testing out speakers, when I'm testing out headphones. So if you're looking for some new jams, you want to see what I listen to when I'm testing out these new devices, check that link down in the description. Let's go ahead into this. This one is by my own personal brother, T Mill of the Beat Academy. Yo, let's go ahead and check this out, see what's good.
The Academy.
Okay, we at about 70%. Let's check the 360. ish, I'm not mad at that. Got your bass radiator working. Let's go ahead and turn it all the way up. It gets pretty loud. I'm not mad at how loud it gets. I think at the loudest levels, you do hear a bit of distortion, especially in those lower frequencies. This is not a bass heavy song, so that should have come through much clearer. I don't hear that bass rumble. It sounds a little more distorted than I like. This is definitely not one of those speakers you want to play out its loudest frequencies. It can get pretty loud, but it sounds like it's trying to do too much for a speaker this size. Let's see, at about, yeah. that's about 80%. Round there is when it sounds like, okay, this is really sounding good. Now, I will say that the highs were actually pretty clean. There's a specific part of that beat that I always listen to that this recreated pretty well. I think the mid sounded kind of hollow, kind of in that low mid to almost bass, but not bass, like with that drum. It didn't sound as full as it needed to. And the bass is not really, this isn't a bass lover's dream. Well, you know, I don't think this is a bass head device. I think at 80%, which is about how loud you want to listen to something in a small environment. If you're in a big, massive space, you don't want a speaker this size anyway. You know, you want something like this. You know, I've reviewed other smaller speakers that sound great for a small room environment where you're going to be listening to music mainly to yourself or like one or two people. You know, go to the card game, throw that on the table. Y'all can listen to music while somebody's getting taken for all of their money. That's the type of stuff that you want to use this for. You're not rocking the party. That's not what you're doing. Right now, this is on Amazon. Looks like it's on sale for about $49. Make sure you always check the link so you can get the most up-to-date pricing, because if you go to check it and it's not that price, it's not my fault. I'm telling you, check the link down below in the description. It's an affiliate link, but I don't want you to be interested and then not have the right information. Also, you helping your kinfolk out. You let me know what you think down below in the comments of the Treblab HD7. It's your kinfolk Dookie. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, and tell a friend to holler at your boy.